In 1991, something happened that changed most of what we know today to be the internet. Linus Torvalds announced Linux. In 1998, Oracle announced they support Linux. And once Oracle announced they support Linux, most customers got interested in Linux. And the same thing is happening now with blockchain. 2 years ago, none of these companies were talking about blockchain, but now pretty much every software company, OEM, is talking about blockchain. The truth is, for the next 10 or 15 years, blockchain will become a platform like Linux, like DNS, like HTTP. It will be a core fabric, and it will be a hybrid platform that wins. This approach is combining the best of both worlds by creating a bridge between a private chain and a public chain. Blocko in Korea is one of the most advanced blockchain companies, but nobody's really heard of them. The truth is, for the last 5 years, they've been doing production systems. They started with POCs, but we have, after IBM, probably the most production systems running blockchains. The government uses our system, the stock exchange uses it, Samsung uses this, LG, but it's built by a SWAT team of developers in Korea. And they built this from the ground up to be completely open source, completely open. So it's good for developers, it's good for businesses, and it's good for integrators who may want to take advantage of an open source platform, pretty much like Linux happened 20 years ago. But we've also done something different. We've made it backwards compatible with software that people like, SQL. We've opened up now SQL to 8 million developers by making SQL compatible with blockchain. But the trick is not just about technology, it's getting experience with customers. There are many blockchains out there, they're lacking IT integration. They don't consider the fact that businesses want to integrate systems together. They're not going to throw things out just because of blockchain, they want to integrate things together. So what we've done is create a bridge to combine things like Active Directory or SAP or Oracle with blockchain and provide the glue to make it work. That's what's missing in the industry. What you need is code that people can use, and we've developed that code over the last 5 years in Korea, and now we're bringing it out as a platform worldwide. But AERGO is open source, like Linux. It's free for anybody to use and download and to integrate to, and Blocko provides an enterprise version for business to run their systems on. Pretty much like Red Hat is the go-to company if you want to run Linux in your business. What we're shipping is things like these. These are what we call deployment blueprints. These are use cases that within a few hours you can download and configure and set up your own systems. These use cases have been built for banks, Shinhan Bank, Samhong. We've got 25 million users authenticating biometrics on smart cards in Korea using this technology here. We charged for this a few years ago, now we give it out for free. Because if we make the libraries available to developers, it makes it very, very easy for people to adopt this technology. The whole idea is, if like Linux, you make the platform open, you make it easy for developers, and you promote openness, you will attract not only developers, you'll attract integrators as well.